Good morning. Welcome everybody back to the show. How's it going? Hello, welcome. Good to be back after the damages of FOMC, right? Good morning. Hello, Loving Nature Guy. Good morning, Content Hunter. Funded Subham, welcome back. Yonix in the house. Alexander, sorry. Range warning, it is. We'll see what's going to happen. Dominic, good morning. Wild week for sure. MSG UFO, welcome back. First red week in last month. That's actually, that's not bad, Dominic. That's not bad. Trading Game, hello. Good morning. How's everybody doing? So how was yesterday? Did everybody survive? I hope you guys did. Yeah, so everything's kind of like stayed as expected, right? So not much happened. Basically down 200. That's not bad, Dominic. 200 is absolutely not bad, Dominic. That's good. That's absolutely good. Okay, let's look for some levels here. 560 previous day low, which was created after 6. Okay, we might want to sweep that. Let's check for anything that's interesting down there. Okay, that's not a zone. Not a zone under 1 minute. Okay, nothing special. I'm not gonna scalp it. Most likely, 18 points to go, so we'll see. Lucid is driving you crazy. I did yesterday and 11 more today, but now it keeps saying I have to do even more. I think it's because of consistency. You might have... Is there a... it could be that. Naomi! Hey, Naomi, what's up? Good morning. Or good evening for many of you. It could be because of consistency. Cloud Shift, hello. The amount keeps going up. Well, hopefully that's not a technical glitch or something. You can always ask for support. Jose Might, hello. It's 2 a.m. Oh my gosh, Naomi. It's super late at you right now. 40% consistency, yeah. 50%. Ah, sorry. Yeah, so submitting a ticket can help. Maybe it's a glitch. I don't know. Good morning, FX Peter. Hello. All right, so I guess we need to talk about the situation. Hold on. The situation regarding of what happened yesterday during FOMC or after FOMC. Because, it was a little bit crazy there. Frequency, welcome. Troy, what's up? Faceless Man is here. Trader Monk, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, by the way, that's true, Naomi. The dashboard can be out of sync sometime. I think you just focus on your balance in your platform. You know, I don't know if you're using TradeAway or whatever, but just focus on the balance. But yeah, I mean, yeah, ticket cannot hurt. Trade C, okay. All right, this Trade C. Yeah, I checked this, and gold came down quite a bit. I mean, there's a 4-hour candle, by the way, at let's see this. So this 4-hour candle is on the 5th of February, and the mid-level of that 4-hour candle is even a little bit lower. To be honest, I'm a little bit tempted to jump into a short on gold, because these levels, you know, sometimes they do work out nicely. So, you know, maybe I'm gonna go after it, but like, you know, the problem is the risk. The risk. I'm not sure if I want to take a risk, or that much of a risk, at least. Not sure. Smokey, hello. Grabbed your 500 and ran away. Let's go. Hey, that is excellent discipline, Ollie. That is excellent. And, you know, I salute you. That is a real good job, man. That is real good. Okay, I'm kind of looking for a possible push here to the upside. Level I'd be looking for is 38. Hold on. I mean, we still have previous day low, which is a little bit scary, but like we're so close to that 60 number right there. I don't know. Same time we are in data consolidation. We are pretty much. Exactly, Dominic. Exactly. HT photo. Hello there. Data candles. I've been short, but it's frustrating that ESNQ won't go down. Yeah, I was checking the charts earlier, and it is a little bit frustrating. You know, overall, also based on some news events that's happening in the world, and because, you know, no rate cuts here. I mean, yeah, no rate cuts. So it should be slowly going down, just a little bit, but it's not really happening. It's not, yeah. So I'm not even sure if we can call this 500. Can we call this the official Asia low? I know some of you guys are using the 560 as Asia low. I would use this one, but it has already been taken at 587. So, you know. We're gonna get some nice structure before New York. Could be. Could be. Sit hand, hello. Excellent short trade. Yeah, but I got taken out. Unfortunately, Sit, I got taken out. My stop got hit and then it went down, unfortunately. Yeah. But yeah, it is what it is. Guys, it's just so difficult to read the market like this currently. Huh. Like, quite confusing, especially after the drop, FOMC, and then went higher. Now it's kind of looking to go lower. I'm not comfortable to take a long here. I feel like previous day low at 560 is still here, and it, you know, might have gonna be taken out. But I'm open up for any other thoughts. We are having 30 likes, 70 more likes to go until 100. Can we get to above, like, I don't know, 60 likes here? Can we push it above 60? I know we can. I know we can, everybody. And by the way, I've been told if we're going to get a few more sales on TRADEIFY, we're going to get some codes for giveaways. So, you know, if you guys would like to grab some TRADEIFY accounts, all the accounts, including the instant funded accounts, are 30% off, or even more, but at least 30. Please use the code, and we're gonna get some discounts. Look at that, a 583 kind of looks like it want to go down. It could be. Extreme HTF. Bankster robots on steroids. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Okay, 560 almost hitting. Look at that. Wow. Almost there, right? Almost there. Almost there. Let's see. That's 560, right? I mean, it should be going down, to be honest. Or at least try to go down. But we'll see. All right, I'm setting up my Ninja Trader here. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Some connection issue there. A pump? Crude. I mean, this was so far nothing special on Crude. I'm actually surprised that we're not above 100, but there was nothing really happening. You know, Crude is not really, it feels like it's pumping, but it's not really doing anything special, I think. You know, not much is going on so far. Hold on just for a second here. Okay. Nothing. Guys, I have a connection issue on my Ninja Trader. Why is it happening? All right. Never mind. Yeah, so this is Crude. Let's check it. Again, I would be very careful with the shorts. We still have that 1 hour unbalanced price range, or is it the daily? Oh yeah, here it is. Unbalanced price range down at 88.50-ish area. I would be careful. with the shorts still. There's nothing on the 1 hour except this one. On the 15-minute, there is no... hold on just a second. There is a 15-minute level here, maybe. No, not really. I mean, it looks like a possible demand zone on crude, but I would be very careful with the shorts again. I mean, the situation with the war kind of tells us that it should be going higher. The fact that we are hovering around the $100 level, I feel like it could go higher. 5-minute, it's not really showing anything special. I don't know, man. It's just very hard to read. We are ranging. I would not trade crude for sure. Definitely would not be trading it. Even if this would be one of my favorites. Right now is just, you know, we are inside of this consolidation here until we're not getting out. So for example, until we're not going to trade above 97.28 or below 95.74, this is the absolute no trade zone. You know, this is like the absolutely, oh, sorry. This is the absolutely no trade. Nothing in this level, nothing. This is what I think. Once we get above here, maybe we can look for possible longs, but we need some displacements. The same goes for the downside to go down into that 15-minute zone, down to 92. But right now, this is a cluster F here. This is an absolute no trade level. So I'm sorry, but yeah, I wouldn't do anything with crude right now. And we just tagged previous day low here. Look at that. Wow. On NQ. Good morning, No Luck Pure Skill. Hello. We're gonna take TP today. Let's go. Let's go. ID. Hello there. Thank you, MSG. I mean, I'm not saying I'm right. I'm just. I don't want to do anything with that. Okay, it seems like we're going higher. Maybe up to the 30s. I'm a little bit tempted to jump into a trade here. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get to the middle of this 3-minute zone. Look at that. I'm actually looking to grab an extra. All right. Hold on. Jumped into a small long position. I'm looking to get to the middle of this 3-minute supply zone, to be honest. So let me put it on the chart. If I can. So the goal is to, let me see. Okay, this way you got, oops, sorry. You guys can see it. Let me switch. All right. So I wanted to get to, like, let's go to 36, 35. Let's go to 34.75. And let's see what's going to happen after that. The reason for this is very simple. On the 3-minute chart, we do have a zone here. It's valid, absolutely valid. It got mitigated once, got rejected on the mid-level. The mid-level of the zone actually starts at, hold on just a second, 32.75. 32.75. So the mid-level is going to be 640.50. All right, so I'm going to put my TP to 638.50. And the top of the zone is 47.75. Okay. I like this. So far, so good. So, yeah, 38, that's good. Okay, if we can go over that top here, that swing high, that would be good for me. But we'll see. We'll see if we can do it or not. Just tapped and moved, yeah. Yesterday's video. Oh, hold on a second. Which video? Because I did see a few videos. MyFundedFutures video. I didn't see that. I think I liked a few memes there. Oh yeah, I remember. I love that. Oh, I love that. That was super awesome. That was super awesome. Yeah. I remember. Subham. Yeah, I remember. I loved it, man. That was super great. I don't know how you're doing it. That was just great. This was a extremely hard night. I'm not jumping into a trade. More trades during London. I took 3 trades and on 2 evals and I went profit. This is exactly when I start. Ah, I see. Well, it's never a bad idea to stay out of a certain situation, like trades wise. Look at that, man. I mean, we had the bearish rejection on the 1 minute. Kind of going back. That my stop loss is in the way because the fair value gap is down until 578. So my stop loss is in a bit of a dangerous area here. I was really hoping that we can push through at least to the mid-level of the zone, but it's not going. It's not going yet. So made 400 on oil. Let's go frequency. So that was amazing, Sapa. That was amazing. I liked it. I really loved it. Let's all smash the likes. Let's see how we're doing. We are at 48 already. Thank you so much. All we need is 52. 52 more likes and we're good. What's the weave up that oh, that's the wave, sorry, that's the weave up. Yeah, it could be. It could be. It kind of rejected right there. Well, I'm still kind of hoping that we can get through that because, you know, on the 15-minute, there's not much else. I mean, we swept some lows. It would be great if we can just push it a little bit higher. And not just because of that, but if you look at a little bit higher, there is absolutely like a 3, a 4, and the 5-minute supply zone up there. Looking really good. And I don't like this drop. Oh, man. Why is it happening? Come on, NQ. I really thought that this is just going to go through. It's not going through. Ah, oh, come on, NQ. Come on. Why are you doing? It's a small position, I know, but still. Like, why? Why, NQ? Why now? Randall, hello. Hey, Randall. What a 4-hour chart. You studied the 4-hour? Yeah, we still have some levels down there. Let's check the 4-hour, by the way. What's happening? Good idea, by the way. Let's check the 4-hour. Okay, there's a 4-hour low here. We swept some liquidity from this fair value gap. Interesting. You know, the 4-hour kind of feels like it might be still bearish. Look at the sell side liquidity here at 484. Right there. Four-hour low. Can we drop down there? We could. Pretty much bearish situation right now, so I'm actually going against the trend. You don't like the chart? Oh my gosh. You know, when you say that, Randall, I'm trying to freak. I mean, I'm actually freaking out. I know you have good insights there, and then you're saying you don't like the longs here. Oh, that kind of makes me nervous. My range to buy is 470 to 490. Oh my gosh, yeah, look at that. Should we look for possible shorts until the 4-hour low, 483? I mean, look at the rejection here. It's just not going through. Yeah, I think you might be right there, Randall. Because this rejection and the fact that we're just below the VWAP, it's not, you know, willing to go too much higher. Should wait. I think you guys could be right. I might gonna close it manually. This is just very, very weak here. All right, I'm closing it. I closed it at break even. I closed the trade at break even because usually I don't do this. Like, at least I wait for the stop loss. But in this case, I don't know. I made 20 cents on this trade. So that's profit. As long as crude dropping, there is still wind. Yeah, but I don't know. Kind of freaks me out to see this. Yeah, exactly, Randall. We still have time, lots of time, and we have the London Open a little bit later. So 34 minutes to go. We have time. We have time, exactly. We have plenty of time. Exactly. This is like a 50-50 area here. I mean, my original TP was at 38.50. So that was my original TP up there. Kevin, welcome. And Michal, good morning. Hello. Mirovsky, I forgot to say hello. And to everybody else who I forgot to say, good morning, Team Trades. Hello. It's so good to see everybody. We are at 59 likes. Thank you so much. 41 more to go. 41 more likes to go. Thank you for the support, everyone. Roblox, hey, what's up? Gabor, hello, good morning. I don't know. It kind of feels weak a little bit. The 15 is looking like either double bottom. Yeah. It does seem like. And look to the left here. Wow. I mean, the 15-minute chart looks, by the way, a little bit terrible. Look at the candles. It's just, you know. It's not really looking that good. By the way, wow, there was a possible short opportunity there on that zone. Gabor Bence, hello. Üdvözöllek, welcome. I love when we have more Hungarians as well. Good to see you guys. Okay. Yeah, I think I made the right decision. Thank you, Randall, by the way. See ya. Hello, hello. Thank you for your advice there. I should have seen it earlier after this rejection. Yeah, so my stop loss was right down there. Almost could have hit it. Target 571, yeah. Lubo, hello, good morning. I don't know. I'm not sure I want to go along there. Anyway, so I have some sad news regarding FOMC yesterday. I did go on tilt, and unfortunately, I don't know what's up with me nowadays, guys. I really don't know. It's not about the strategy. It's not about the market. I'm really having a rough couple of weeks nowadays, and I went on tilt yesterday, and I lost the funded account, and I blew up 2 evaluation accounts yesterday. So then I stopped. Then I stopped trading. So lost 1 funded account and blew 2 evals. So I lost. I blew up 2 MyFundedFutures evaluation accounts yesterday. I was so stupid. And I lost a Take Profit Trader funded account, a fresh funded account from Take Profit Trader. I lost it during the press conference, FOMC press conference. So currently, here's the situation. I got 2 more MyFundedFutures accounts. These are fresh new ones. I'm definitely ashamed of myself that I lost those accounts. And currently, I did receive the Funded Futures Network static account. This is the funded, which starts with the 7PV here. So this is the actual funded account. So anything I make on this account above 52,000 is mine with 80% profit split. So this is a funded account. This is also a funded account, which I passed with Funded Futures Network, but I haven't received the actual static account yet. So I'm still waiting for that one, but this one got cleared. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 funded accounts at Apex. I do have 1 more at Bulenox too, but I'm not logged in at Bulenox right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, including the Bulenox. But I lost Take Profit Trader, and this is trade day accounts, and oh yeah, and I will get TRADEIFY accounts as well. I'm gonna get some new TRADEIFY accounts, but the thing is, I did some stupid mistake yesterday. I'm not doing good, guys, right now with the funded accounts. I'm not doing good. I really don't. I don't know what got into me. Because you're trying smaller time frames and trying to scalp this market. You can manage stop loss, yeah. Yeah, so instead of Rapid 97, please use the code TOMSABO if you would like to purchase Rapid accounts. The TOMSABO code gives you the exact same discount as Rapid 97. No, he's not gonna get banned. No. Yeah, the basic discount is Rapid 97. If you would like to support the channel, I do appreciate though if you type in my code. That helps a lot. But Yeah. Same there. Have only one. Hey, thank you. We are in the trenches for sure. So I'm having a rough few weeks lately, to be honest with you. I promised myself and to you guys as well, I will try to be more transparent with how I'm doing with my account. So I'm going to do account recap video as well. Not every day, but like once every week. But now live, you did see my accounts. I do have Bulenox as well. I'm going to log in too. But I mean, I can log in, no problem, but nothing special. But this happened, and I'm a little bit sad about the Take Profit Trader account because I was working on that, and it was a fresh funded account. And anyway, no, not yet, Romeo. I sent them 2 emails, and they're not responding to my emails. They're not responding, unfortunately. I hope that they will, but they're just not. Oh, no problem. Kevin, it's okay, no problem. How to enter giveaway. Trading Gamey, it's not started yet, but it's gonna be out. I'm gonna be putting it out on Twitter, and we're gonna pick the winners tomorrow on Friday. I'm a little bit behind after the massacre yesterday on FOMC. What's your opinion on Funded Next prop? I think they're solid. They are solid prop firm. Nothing bad to say about them. So walk away sometimes and don't trade, or just trade upper or lower levels. Yeah, that would be something to do. So again, guys, the same thing happened last year with me well, it was happening in February last year. So last year I started really rough, and it's like the same situation. So I'm trying to keep my focus. I still have 8 funded accounts, but the work is still far away from being done. I still have to work on those accounts to get to safety net and payout threshold. But, you know, it's not started yet. I'm going to put out a link, but it's not started yet, Michal. That pattern, Tom. 1 bug, green candle, full closed, and all the way down. This happened a lot. Yeah. Does Rice send you tax form in your country? Yeah, I mean, not tax form, but I did my own tax papers. I mean, the thing I'm doing with Rise, I'm downloading all the payouts and I'm putting it to my tax papers. Like every payout invoice, like the invoices and, you know, every transaction, I download it from Rise, and I have an accountant who's doing everything, and I'm sending everything in a PDF document to them. So by the tax man. Well, the saying goes like, there's 2 things in life that's for sure, is death and taxes, right? But yeah, I have to do the taxes because you know, the thing is that they are seeing my bank account, so the government sees my bank account, and if I don't pay my taxes, they're gonna fine me big time. So actually, the fine is so huge, you know. Oh my gosh, Kevin. Oh, Kevin. Kevin with the... Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. $40. That's a lot, man. That's a lot.
TOMSABO hype, use the code.
Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, Kevin, for the support, man. I do appreciate it. But Kevin, you didn't do anything wrong. As I said, we always say in MyFundedTV, of course, to use the YouTube code. You can use the basic prop firm code. So the thing is, guys, every prop firm has a basic code, but it's not just about me. If you have someone who you'd like to support, don't leave that commission at the prop firm. Give it to someone who would you like to support and use their code. It could be someone else. It doesn't have to be my code, but never use the basic code from the prop firm. Support someone if you can, you know. It's 150 away from payout. Danish Ahmed. Oh my gosh, Danish Ahmed. I hope you'll get out. I mean, you can do it, man. I mean, just hang in there. Taking small trades. Zacromancer, there's nothing wrong taking small trades there. There's nothing wrong with that. Go with 1 or 2 micros, you know, part of EBPVUZHX billing me before the 30 days and after evaluation. Oh. Billing you before the 30 days, what? More likes, let's go. Thank you so much again, Kevin. Kevin, I appreciate the support and everything. Okay, what is going on here? So I'm gonna get some TRADEIFY accounts as well, and because I have all these accounts, I do need to create some copy trading groups of 2 or 3 accounts, you know. My trading got better when I started trading 25k prep accounts with 1 or 2. Yeah, 1 or 2 micros, actually, that can help a lot. So there are traders out there. For example, Nutty Bar. He's very consistent with his trading. He trades small size, goes with 1 or 2 micros, and obviously he has also bad days but good days too. But he's like, you know, he's not oversizing, and that's how he's able to keep those accounts in the long run, which is kind of cool. And I'm trying to do the same as well. Currently I'm using Replicanto, but I might gonna try something else too. Who knows? Oh, okay. You DM me. Let me log in. Actually, I'm logged in. Am I? I need to log in. Hold on. There it is. 80. I got your message. I will get back to you on this, 80. Definitely. I will get back to you on this. But thank you for the message. Trading Star is here. Hello. TradeSyncer. Everybody talks about TradeSyncer. I'm a little bit scared about the cloud-based copy trader services. Because if something goes bad, you have no control, and you know, gotta be careful. But Trading Star, I'm happy to say that I'm doing fasting ever since then, and I'm doing really, really great. Actually, yesterday I fasted 19 hours, on Tuesday 23 hours, on Monday 21 hours, Sunday 21 hours, Saturday only 15, but you know, we were having family dinner. Friday, so last week on average I was fasting 20 hours, and today I'm already at 20 hours, and I'm gonna go to the gym after this. So I'm keeping myself on average to the 20-hour fasting. So I'm kind of doing the 20/4 method right now. Good morning, Angya. Hello. TradeSyncer is good. Okay. I might look into that. Thank you. Thank you, Angya. If you have fast computer, use PC. Is a cloud-based? Yeah. This computer is quite new, so this is a new computer. Okay, so this one is a brand new, almost brand new computer. So this one is a good one. Yeah, sorry, Zacromonster, affordable indicator trade copier. Yeah, I checked that too. That's a few $100s though, but affordable indicator. Yeah, I keep hearing that affordable indicators are having a very solid trade copier. Their trade copier is very, very solid and reliable. That's what I've heard. Trade copier, okay. Trade syncer is like the top step of trade copiers. Okay. Trade copiers like the MyFundedFutures. Yeah, AD. So I'm gonna get back to you on this. Thank you. I know, and thank you for watching the stream. I'm just reading your message on Discord, and I'll write you back for sure. Little up to so I got bad and ghost fills. Okay, so it seems like it does count to have a good computer for trade copying, right? Okay, so price action so far is pretty much crappy. And look at that. Wow. Should have taken the gold short. You know, we talked about this. Look at how it bounced from the 4-hour wick here. Should have taken the short on gold. I didn't take it. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Yeah. Yeah, so far I have Replicanto, but I did hear that there are some good ones out there. Okay, we are at 75 likes, everybody. We only need 25 more. 25 more to go. You know, honestly, I'm still kind of eyeballing with that level up there at 39, 38. Not sure. But you know what? I mean, this is kind of crazy, I know, but there is a zone here. Actually, not there, but here. Look at this. Could this be a possible short opportunity? It's not a absolutely valid zone, but it's like, it's valid. It's a 1 minute supply zone. It's not looking that good, but it is a valid level. Picked up liquidity, shifted structure, although it's not a big structure shift. So this is an order block. You can say that as well. I don't know if Replica, I mean, so far I had no issue with Replicanto. Yeah, giveaway is going to be posted not now, but on Twitter, and we're going to do it on tomorrow. I will lose a lot of weight. Well, that's the goal, Trading Star. My main goal is to lose a lot of weight. So let me know. I mean, my my main priority is weight loss. So I don't want to look like Arnold Schwarzenegger, but like my main priority is weight loss. And secondary priority, of course, is to have some muscle, but the main priority is weight loss. $50 accounts before on replica. Yeah, he was trading a lot. I think he's now trading in smaller groups, like 5 or something, 5 accounts per group or something like that on average. So at least that's what I saw. Sometimes I do check on his stream and he's trading like smaller clicks of accounts. The good fella, hello. It looks like a long. It does look like a long. 10 minutes until London Open, so. Well, it's not just about, because, I mean, there's nothing to do here on the 5-minute here. Look at that. This whole area on the 5-minute is like a big giant consolidation, almost like barcoding, and there's not much to do here. So it doesn't really sound right, but I'm trying to justify a trade, which I shouldn't do, by the way, because this is this is typically an error that I'm trying to force myself into a trade that's not even there, although the supply zone level is valid up there, so that is good. So what I'm looking for here is up close candles above 594 with displacements. So I need fair value gaps, and then maybe I will try to go for that 638, for example. 35 total now. Does Crude, sometimes he trades all at once. Wow. Serial, hello. What's up, Serial? Goran, good to see you. Welcome back. Yeah, I think Anku is trolling us. And to be honest, I'm going to try something. I'm going to try a scalp here. Oops. Maybe I shouldn't have. Okay. Let's see. 577. Let's go with that. All right. So I jumped into a short because of the reaction of the supply zone right there. So I'm gonna go with the 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio at 547 down there. So let's put it to 548.25. There's nothing special here. $548.50 and right there. So let's try this. 79.75. $95.25. All right. Okay, this is good. We'll see if it wants to go down into the 4-hour low. It could go down, I think. So this is a solid 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade. We'll see. How much? Well, last Friday I was 103 kilograms, but I only started fasting on last week Monday, so not too long ago. But I'm not eating sugar or carbs, and I'm trying to watch for what I eat since January 5th. So January 5th I was 117 kilograms, and last Friday I was 103.5 kilograms. So, but this is last Friday, so I can't wait to see how much went down this week. So I'm gonna be checking that. Yes, I go to the gym too. Yes, I go to the gym as well. What do I eat on the fast? Well, during the fast, nothing. After I finished with the fast, I eat, like, for example, like nothing unhealthy. I'm trying to eat like chicken, vegetables, protein, like protein shake, for example, to protect my muscles. Protein shake, yogurt. For example, this week I did eat some whole grain baguette, or I don't even know what's the name of it. So that was good. But yeah, trying to keep everything like no sugar, absolutely zero sugar, no sugar at all. Not even sweetener. I'm not even using sweetener. Absolutely zero sugar and no sweetener. Not even in the coffee, not even in the tea. So this here is black coffee, nothing in it, absolutely nothing. This is just black coffee, absolutely zero in it. I mean, pure. And drink water, and trying to keep my calorie intake in a deficit. So in the eating window during fasting, I go with like about 1600 to 1800 calories, and I try to eat healthy food, you know. Let's go. No Ozempic, no. Whiskey needed, yeah. Whiskey needed. You know what the bad thing is, guys? Why is it that I can focus on a trade setup? So I can focus on a situation now, and I can focus when there is FOMC and I destroy my accounts. Why is that? Limit order 438. 438. Oh, that's way down there. We're going to put an alert at 430. I'm going to put it at 39. We're going to call it. Oh, I can't put a text here. Anyway, this is Randall's level down there. No, yesterday. Okay, so some of you who are new right now, just tuning into the stream. Yesterday, I lost 2 evaluation accounts and 1 funded account after or during FOMC. I lost 2 MyFundedFutures evals, and I blow up a fresh funded account from Take Profit Trader yesterday. And it is what it is. I mean, what can I do? It's just, I don't know, man. I don't know. You know, I'm having, that's why I said I'm having a rough couple of weeks. I'm confident, by the way. My confidence is absolutely great. So my confidence is definitely not low or anything like that. I just don't understand, like, why is it so hard for myself to control those emotions? the reason of my losses were not because the zones didn't work, were not because the strategy didn't work. I made money with the same exact thing last year, this year as well. So I'm getting payouts. But like every now and then I do the same stupid mistake of revenge trading. Revenge trading, like can't accept that freaking loss. And you know, a fresh funded account from Take Profit Trader, I feel sorry about that. Got blown up yesterday. I got totally on tilt and I should have walked away. I should have walked away. It's a good thing I did not copy trade. So no copy trades on that account. So I went total crazy scalping during FOMC and anyway, it happened. Good morning, Daryl. Hello. Joining. Good trade. Thank you. You go phone because everything's so damn fat. Yeah, could be. Could be. Wow, look at this. London Open, guys. London Open is kind of kicking in right now. I need a boxing gym. Yeah, I overtraded yesterday. I overtraded and I lost my Take Profit Trader funded account. Well, it's not good news. The only good news is that at least it was not at payout level. It was a brand new, fresh funded account, but still it kind of sucks, you know. I didn't lose activation fee because there were no activation fee on that, but I was still working on that account. And I mean the evaluation account, the test account. And it just sucks to lose a funded account, but and the other thing is that, you know, at MyFundedFutures, I really want to prove myself because I got a few payouts last year live on stream at MyFunded TV. I requested a few payouts, smaller payouts, I know, but I had a few payouts live on MyFunded TV. And this year, I couldn't get a payout yet from MyFundedFutures. So it's kind of a curse or something. I don't know. Anyway, I got payouts from Bulenox and Take Profit Trader, but like, you know. Anyway, locking out helps. It's not perfect, but helps. I know it helps. I know, and I really had no need for locking myself out. By the way. Because I to my standards, I always did a good job by not overtrading and trying to hold myself back. And that's why I'm saying I don't understand. It's just only for the last 3 weeks on average, like I just couldn't get through that threshold that I wanted to. Yeah, Lucid and TRADEIFY are very good, and yeah, TRADEIFY. I'm kind of trying to focus more on TRADEIFY a little bit, and Lucid. So TRADEIFY and Lucid is gonna be something where I'm gonna be steering more trades alongside with MyFundedFutures, of course. Funded Futures network is really good. So I got the new funded accounts with Funded Futures network. So yeah. So actually I'm doing good. As I said, I still have 8 funded accounts. 8 funded accounts. I'm okay. But some of these funded accounts are in drawdown. So I can show you guys again. So these are in drawdown. So 2 funded accounts are in drawdown. This one is almost back to break even. This one is still almost $1,000 drawdown. What else? This is a static funded account. So this is already funded from Funded Futures Network. This already passed. These are from Apex. I have one from Bulenox. And the MyFundedFutures, this one just, I had to restart, of course. These are Lucids. And I'm going to add TRADEIFY accounts too. So I'm not doing all that great. As you guys can see it, the better chance to get a payout is on this Apex account, this one, and these two Funded Futures Network accounts. So if I can do proper, why not? Proper risk management with these two Funded Futures Network accounts and with these Apex accounts, I think I can get a payout relatively soon, at least on Funded Futures Network on these two accounts. So, but these ones I still have to work a lot, like the Lucid accounts, the MyFundedFutures accounts. So there's a lot to go for, and I still have to recover this Apex funded account. This one is actually brand new. I haven't even traded on this Apex account at all. So, and if you're asking what is the number right now, I'm at 113. 113, all right? The number is 113 at Apex. That's how many funded accounts I had so far. 113. Hashtag transparency. How do you beat the trading drawdown? Small trades, base hits, you know, Mariana, small base hits. So don't go for huge trades, basically. Small ones. Start locking out. Yeah, maybe nickname, last name. You passed Lucid. I'm so happy. Let's go, Content Hunter. That is amazing. Yeah. So partial. That, hey, Sleepy Mocha, that's good, man. Apex is that their evaluation rules and loss limits are trash. They even limited the trailing threshold. Loss limit end of day accounts are not worth it. Well, I think the new accounts, by the way, are really good. I think the new rules are making it super simple at Apex. Very, very simple. And I respect your opinion, by the way. But I think right now Apex is at its best. And I don't care. Yeah, I'm an affiliate with Apex, but even if I would not be an affiliate, I would still say that this thing that they modified, their new rules, they should have done it 2 years ago already. I'm just glad that they did it. And by the way, let me tell you an example. The daily loss limit actually saved me a funded account at Apex because I was down on the daily loss on tilt. It locked me out as a soft breach. I was able to recover that funded account. So anyway, I have no problem with that, but I respect your opinion, by the way. Activation fee it's not that bad. So you pay $19 for an eval, currently still on sale, and $79 for activation. That's not so bad. Yeah, gold is well, there was a short that I missed, so I'm not gonna trade gold right now. But yeah, it's definitely dumping lower. There's a zone up there though. Let me just put it there. That's a 5-minute supply zone. All right, so that's the only thing. Oh, and that is up there at 48.29.6. But I'm not going to trade gold right now. Hey, look at that. Is it trying to recover? I can't seem to cash out and always lose right before I do. I need to work on myself. Yeah. Yeah, everybody has. I mean, this is all about the mindset. Yeah, Tick Sniper I think is good. $1,000 on a 50K account is not bad at all. Like TopStep was doing it in the old days, and you know, as I said, it saved me from blowing up the account. But I respect the opinion. 500, yeah, you got to go with 1 or 2 micros. Obviously, you know, you got to go with bigger accounts then at Apex. Yeah. No, Trading Star. Take Profit Trader is ignoring my emails for now. I sent them 2 emails already to follow up, like if they can reconsider the situation, but no email, unfortunately, no reply. Honestly, be careful with Apex. If you can make money, learn with Apex. If you're making money, I will be careful with Apex for sure, but you know. You know, the funny thing is, Trading Star, I do have a contact. His name is Arthur at Take Profit Trader. And I was emailing with him earlier last month too, when I was addressing the giveaway accounts. Last month we did Take Profit Trader giveaways. And I sent him an email like, can you guys please reconsider the situation? And nothing back, no reply. And he always replied within 24 hours. And nothing. I don't know why. Maybe I will send one more follow-up and then I'm going to leave it be. I don't know why. They shadow banned me and lots of other streamers maybe who are, I don't know. I got shadow banned. They're just ignoring me maybe. I don't know. Oh, Yotso, hello. Oh, okay, jó van, okay. Üdv újra, szia. No, a TPT is good. Take Profit Trader is super awesome. I still say that. Take Profit Trader is up there. Absolutely. It's just, I don't know why they're not responding. At least they should just respond like, hey, Tom, appreciate the email, but thanks, no. Or something like that. But absolutely 0 replies. Like, I don't know. I don't get it. Why not? Why they don't reply? I don't know. TPT, I have 2 accounts for reset my funded accounts, but for a USD. Yeah, so the reset is not cheap on Take Profit Trader. Hey, Celso. Good morning from rainy Portugal. Oh, well, it's sunny here right now, but NQ is kind of doing, I mean, look at this price section. It's definitely not good. So, because we talked about Take Profit Trader, why I like Take Profit Trader is the daily payouts. So because of the situation, I'm still going to trade Take Profit Trader, but I'm going to focus more on Trade Day and MyFundedFutures. And Trade Day also has daily payouts. So I'm going to build more accounts with Trade Day as well, because, you know, daily payouts are super cool. And TRADEIFY, of course, not daily payouts, but technically super fast payouts. Are we gonna close higher? So we have this 1 minute zone here, this one. If we can close higher than 595, that would be good. Trading drawdown, yeah. I know that that's something nobody really likes. Fizzled, yeah. I'm in Portuguese rain. Oh, Tim. Gold is good. Is gold doing? I mean, gold is just dumping. The problem is I don't want to chase gold right now. I don't know how far it can go. Where's the 4-hour sell side level here? Here, just a second. So here's the 4-hour sell side liquidity level at 46.70. I'm not saying it can't go there and take out that 4-hour candle, because it can. And it does seem like it wants to take out that candle. NQ is about to close higher than 94, by the way. So let's see what's going to happen. If it closes higher than 94, 95, I don't know. Look at the reaction again. This is definitely a valid zone. It got Price got rejected once, technically twice, third time now. Yeah, TS. So I don't know. Some rumors were saying that Take Profit Trader is cutting off affiliates to spare some money for payouts. I don't know if those are true or not. I hope it's not. One hour from request. Thank you. Yeah, Bogdan. Thank you for the info. Yeah, they're fast. What do you think from TopStep? Now there is a good promo. TopStep is good. They were always good. Project X was pooping the bed a few times, and that's why at that time I still said, like, if Project X could work again properly, then it's great. No issue with TopStep. And by the way, Jotso, just a second in Hungarian. Jotso, Románia ugye már nincs bannolva TopStepnél, azt hiszem. TRADEIFY sem bannolja már Romániát, csak mondom, már TRADEIFY sem bannolja. I'm just saying that some restricted countries are kivették. Okay. So, Thick Sniper Joe is from Romania, and Romania was on the restricted country list, and it's not on the restricted country list at TopStep, and not on TRADEIFY as well. So TRADEIFY also accepts traders from Romania. Yeah, I don't know why MyFundedFutures is doing it. Yeah. I've been taking through various low volume nodes. Volume trading is currently working. Nice, Content Hunter. Well, I do know that it's very popular. The volume profile trading is it's still very popular amongst a lot of traders. We are at 90 likes, 10 more likes to go, everybody. Just 10 more likes. TopStep. Well, I don't know about the platform. I'm not trading with TopStep since a while, but they only have Project X right now, I think. Wow, look at this drop again. And again, from the same zone. Look at that. Here, here, and here. And boom, it just goes lower. I took a short here. I took this trade. That was a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. I took that. Devil Jin, hello, good morning to the office. Oh, thank you, Content Hunter, for being here. Have a good day at the office and see you next time. Warren is trapped in buying. Well, it does seem like it wants to push through this zone. So, you know, it does seem like it wants to push it through. At least it tried a few times. I think it will go through. TopStep is nice since it has clear stop loss and TP. Don't leave orders open like others do. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got to be careful with that. Devil Jin is shorting highs. We are at 105 likes. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for the support. Team effort. All right, look at that. Going a little bit lower here. Andros, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome. Thank you might go low at the beginning of the month. Could be, could be. You never know. You never know. But thank you for joining us, by the way, Andros. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. Look at the rejections here on the 5-minute. I'm telling you, if it manages to push through the 595, we might have a good chance to go higher. Thank you, Andrews. We're a little bearish, but intraday bullish. Yeah, but if it's intraday bullish, how far can it go? I'd like to see a possible push up there to the zone, but it seems like this level is definitely holding it back. And I think the bulls are, I mean, will try to push it. How does NVIDIA look like? NVIDIA is a little bit bearish right now. Tesla is down. Meta, okay. Not much so far. So not too much volume on the stocks. Under VWAP, keep that in mind. Okay, thank you. Trust Futures. 12 hours of this bottom, yeah. I don't know how far can it go. Am I stupid for holding my short from 706? No, you're not. Did you take partial, by the way? Romeo, did you take some partial? Just asking, you know, because that's like a really good short. And, you know, if I would be holding a position from there, that's like more than 100 points. It would be great to secure something. Oh, wow. Yeah. April 25. Wow. Yeah, definitely. If you can take a partial, or at least move your stop to secure some of it. So maybe I would move, if I would be short from 706, how much was that? 706. Yeah, I would be moving my stop to 650 at least, or maybe even lower. I don't know, down to 640 maybe. Because if it breaks 640, then more likely it's going to go above the 50s and higher. So I would be moving my stop, or at least secure some partial on that. Not financial advice though, but this is how I would do it. Look at this level. It's still, you know, It's giving a headache for the bulls here. Can't go through. All right. All right, look at that. Okay. Okay, it's happening. I should get a meme. The Michael Scott meme, you know. Oh my God, it's happening. Ranging at best. Yeah. No up close candles here. Absolutely crazy. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely insane. Yeah, this is like, this just confirms to me that this level here is definitely being protected. I'm locking out with 195 profits, plus 200 lost. That was, yeah, it's a roller coaster. Highs to lows paying off. Oh, Warren, you're still in the long position. Oh. I'm not saying it can't go higher, but this is the reason I was waiting for the market to close higher than 95, but it didn't. You know. $195 profit, you know, nickname, last name is good for it. You know, it's good. Warren, come on, man. So there's a 4-hour low. I don't know. Just be careful. Trying to catch the bottom, bro. It's dangerous. I'm 26 cents away from passing a MyFundedFutures 50K rapid account. Sleepy Mocha, that is amazing. Okay, Sleepy Mocha, listen. Don't trade this London session. Just leave it be. All right. Wait until New York or tomorrow. Okay. Just, you know, sit back, relax, take some fresh air, recharge. Don't worry about it. You're gonna get it. Price action is total crap right now in this London session. Absolutely BS price action. Don't do anything with that account. The problem is everyone has been conditioned to a bull market and trading accordingly. Now the game has changed. So Randall, do you think in the big picture, like daily, weekly patterns are going to shift to a bearish market now? I mean, it could be. And I think that's true. Like everybody's conditioned to bull market, but like NQ is always going higher, like nonstop, just goes higher, right? The knives are out. Oh my gosh. So 4-hour low is 483 down there. What the? I just received a message from Trading Star. Hey, yeah. It was a roller coaster. Tom, should I wait for a setup to break even from a 500 loss? I'm 20 away. Yes, wait for a setup because this price action, Robert, is it's so trashy. It's very bad, Robert. Very, very, very bad. Okay, it's very, very bad. Definitely wait, because even though on the big picture, it, you know, it is what it is. It could go lower, but how can you do proper risk management? I mean, it's possible, but even with one micro, it could be tricky because like the 5-minute looks so trashy right now. I mean, it's just hard to decide what it wants to. This is typically the coin flip situation again. Yeah, no full porting. I'm holding for daily drawdown. Oh, Warren. I can't say anything, Warren. I can't. I mean, the only thing maybe is that don't give up on your account so fast, right? I know I lost an account, a funded account yesterday, so I gave up on it, but I'm still trying to protect the other accounts. And you know, if you have just one, I don't know how many funded or evals you have, but you know, if I would be having just one eval or one funded, I don't know, maybe I would be more careful, but it's up to you, Warren, and I hope that it goes right for you. Right now it's a coin toss. Trading the range and scalp. Oh no, it's going lower. Damn. Oh my gosh, where is 500? 500 is right here. I feel like if it goes to 500, it can go through 483. 180k drawdown. Ah, no drawdown 4k. Okay, sorry, Warren. That's still manageable then, I think. So it's up to you. Making our Asia and getting rounded, prolonged has been played for a second. Yeah, seems like it. But I mean, just look at the 5-minute. It's so trashy. The 5-minute chart. It's such a trash. That's just trash. I mean, look at that. Taking a nap. Kevin, thank you so much again for the donation. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. You are absolutely a champ. Thank you again for the support. And, you know, see you next time, Kevin. Have a good nap. Have a good nap. Yeah, it kind of seems like we're heading down to 500. Oh my gosh. Romeo is cutting it. Nice. 6-hour trade. Wow. 6-hour trade. Oh, guys. It is going down a little bit here. So you know. What can we do? Lone Wolf, hello. Almost 700 points. Yes, it's just going down. Absolutely crazy. It's kind of trying to hold, but I need 11 points with 1 minute to pass my flex eval on Lucid. 11 points. Yonix, I think New York will be better in price action because right now. Kelly! Oh my gosh, Kelly here. Kelly Kaufman. Hey! This price action is... it's not so good. It's not so good. I mean, if I just look on the 5 minute, I'm really getting diarrhea. No, actually not that, but it's like looking very bad. Yeah, no flush or bounce, no real momentum. It's just a slow grind. It's really ugly. Yeah. And I'm not sure I'm gonna take another trade here. So got diapers. I think, yeah, gun to my head, I think it will go down to 500 and then take out the 4-hour low. So only option is to wait for the lower high. Yeah, Andros. I agree. Yeah, look at how close it is. I can't take a trade on this, guys. I can't. Ba-da-da-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba. 525 got eaten alive. Well, we have a bit of a bounce here, but like not too much. I think it's just not enough. Kind of getting rejected again. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to take a trade on this, so I'm going to say I'm going to cut it here. And yeah, we had a nice trade on the short earlier, but this price action is not so good. So I'm just going to say thank you for watching. I really tried to squeeze in some New York trades, but I couldn't stream in the past couple of days in New York because there's so little time, but I will try to do the best. There are going to be a post on Twitter about giveaway. Tomorrow we're going to do it. And if you would like to support the channel, you know, look at this drop, oh my gosh, then please use the code for all these prop firms that you see up there in the banner. That kind of helps out the channel. I know there's some basic discount codes, but don't leave it at the prop firm. If you're not using mine, then just give it to someone who you would like to support. But thank you for everything. You guys are amazing. And yeah, it's not a good price action. We're gonna smash through 500, I think. Anyway, thank you everybody. You guys are amazing. God bless you all. Thank you for the support, and I'll be seeing everybody at My Funded TV and tomorrow as well. All right, God bless. Cheers everyone. Cheers.